WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. So in this 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play. And is the only guy in the space has done over 50 or 42,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's actually printing me money and what is not. Especially now with Wolfspeed, man. Definitely a melting stage, like 58 cents, if you will. Like, I began being in this bearish, let's say, streak since it was 10 bucks. You cannot fake this stuff. Like, if you have been watching my videos, you're just nodding your head. But this is sitting at 10.06, 6 months back, 10th of December 2024. Since then, it just began melting like crazy. And all I have to say on top of it is that the likelihood that it just continues to do the same thing is still high, like very, very high. That's why I'm not even going to try. And you can see I have like 35 results in the receipt section. But if there's no big catalyst or breaks above 177, I have no business in trying to buy this. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.